audio clarity is not good yet. It's a Monday, you know, so things happen on Mondays. Oh, thank you, Market.
Oh, seating integrity.
Oh. Microphone. Let me end this stream. Let's try without. Interesting. Okay. So I think YouTube should be good now.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. Should be good. Okay. Let's use this for now. I think there's probably some things going on. Oh, okay. Poor quality. Hey guys, listen. This is all what it is. Microphone. It's better than what? Yeah. Yeah, I think so too. Bad. All of a sudden. Mic stopped working. Every price action, I don't really see anything unless we do get a candle to close. Other than that, I don't really see anything at this. Okay. Should be good. Yeah, I don't know. It's some weird issue. Maybe it could be because it's Monday and things just don't want to work at the same time. Maybe it's a Monday, but I don't know. You know, could be something, whatever. So no volume. Looking at the 4-hour time frame here as well. From the Asian session. So now let's do a fresh analysis again. Somebody saying much more comfortable. Yeah, it takes a little time to get used to a new platform. On our time frame, obviously we have a resistance forming at 2904. At the same time, we have a support at the one thing we can identify is that maybe this is the support these wicks. So even though it's a bank holiday for the US, even though it's a bank holiday, I think if we do close below 28.98, what's this, 28.98, 28.97 range, you know. So I would call that as a rogue volume. That's something that we can't see. Market every day. Love you. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you, Fazan. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I made a cheeseburger withdrawal from Dominion. Hey, listen, even if it's a cheeseburger withdrawal, or even if it's like a $700 steak withdrawal is withdrawal. What's the shortcut for rectangle in C Trader? Yeah, you just go over here, rectangle, and then you draw it. Yep. So that's where we are. Let's take a look at pound yen. So looking at pound yen, also from the 1-hour time frame, we see obviously there is a resistance. At the same time, we can have this as a support, right here. You got the support, and then you have the resistance. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, as you can see on pound yen, the price action is not that great. It's not that good of a price action. If you can't make cheeseburger money, you can't make the Benz money. Yes, that's true. If you can't make the cheeseburger money, then you're not going to be able to make the Benz money. That is very true. All right, let's take a look at gold over here. So what's happening over here? If current 15-minute candle wake up, impulse entry for sales valid. See, impulse entries can only happen when there's volume in the market. Currently, right now, we don't have volume in the market. So it's going to be very, very tough. It's going to be very, very tough to look at cells that way when we have no volume, or when we have it's very, very low volume. So I think that'd be very, very risky. The connection is really, really bad. Yeah, it should be good now. So for this, we will be here. Need to go back on WAP from tomorrow. No, we're gonna go back to WAP. We're gonna go back to WAP. We'll just see. Maybe it was a settings thing or something. Please find an entry in NAS 100 with your strategy. NAS 100. Please find an entry in NAS 100. That's the question. हेलो हेलो हाय क्या हाल है कौन सी गाड़ी का वो उसी कंसोल पे ना लगा हुआ है बना हुआ बटन है एक उसी कंसोल पे ना पीछे वैसे बॉटम राइट या बॉटम लेफ्ट पे बटन बना होगा लेकिन उसको ऊपर करने के लिए पहले चाइल्ड लॉक भी तुम्हें डिसेबल करना पड़ेगा चाइल्ड लॉक ड्राइवर साइड पे होता है या चाइल्ड लॉक या दैट्स इट इट शुड बी डन Yes, that was the wife calling. Had to take that call. Is it about to sell when 30-minute candle is closing? 30-minute candle is closing. Yeah, I mean, you just have to wait for it to close. Because looking right over here to the left-hand side, this was a very bearish 30-minute candle, but then we had a rejection. And this was also at London Open. This candle here was also very, very bearish, and then we had a rejection. So we want to see how this candle will close on the 30-minute. So two things can happen. Either this candle can continue to push down, and when it does, it is what it is, or it can close below the zone 28.97, and then the next one can continue to push down. So those are kind of like the variables at play. उर्दू इतनी प्यारी लैंग्वेज है, प्लीज लर्निंग भी थोड़ी उर्दू में दिया करें. हाँ जी ठीक है. Could you help me to join Meet through Discord? I could not be able to join as it's showing no live stream. Nah, there is Zoom. So you can go through a live stream and go to Zoom. Gold is breaking down. No, it's not. It's rejecting over here. It's very important to wait. It's very, very important to wait. You got about 8 minutes left for the candle to close. When is 50% on Dominion funding? Never. There's never going to be 50% off on Dominion funding. Never. Like it's not like you're not buying a PS5 or things like that. Yeah, interesting. So we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait how this candle is going to close on the 30-minute. Gold is 1 hour support. Yeah, gold is at like a support area, so it's important to wait to see how this candle is going to close. Does Dominion Funding have a Discord server? Yes, it does. You can get it from the website. It's bank holiday. Yes, it's bank holiday. It's bank holiday. So even if someone is trading now on bank holiday, you need to use very, very low risk. Very, very low risk. It's bank holiday. So we'll have to wait. All right, NAS, right? So we're looking at NAS over here. Let's take a look at NAS. NAS 100. So it's a bank holiday, but still, let's take a look at NAS 1. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame to save time. Okay, so 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame support. First support is right here, and then below this, there's another support. You know, so it's not that far off. You know, so see the thing with NAS 100 is this an all-time high over here? Is this an all-time high? Oh wow, it is the all-time high. Is it? We don't have any other information over here. Yeah, I'm not too sure, but it looks pretty high to me. Looks pretty high to me. So I guess we'll have to wait for price to maybe break above this price level, you know, or like it's a bank holiday. If it wasn't a bank holiday, even with this 30-minute candle closing bullish, even with this 30-minute candle closing bullish, the next one can continue to push up if it wasn't a bank holiday. That's what I would like to do, you know, especially on gold here as well. You look at gold, the candle, the 30-minute candle will close in about 6 minutes. Want the next 30-minute candle to wick up, break below the low, and then continue to push down. I think that's going to be very, very good. Dominion Funding have 10,000 challenge? No. No. There's a $7,500 challenge and there's a $12,500 challenge. I started using CTrader. Why don't I have option to change candle color on mobile? Because it is what it is. I took a buy after a small 15-minute candle form beginning of pre-London session. Oh, nice. How'd that go? Hey, Raja. Hello. For 6 months, 450 when the promotion ending at the end of February. Please teach about different candlesticks and their psychology. So there's no such thing as you can learn X candlestick or like, you know, learn the psychology behind it. It's all about when are those candles forming and what sort of a volume there is when those candles are forming. So many things to do, so little time. Why Dominion Funding isn't working for UAE residences? Yeah, that's we have to follow the bylaws of the jurisdiction. That's why, unfortunately. Can we take after 15-minute candle closing? Yeah, the 30-minute candles are going to close, so I'll wait. How much pips should I expect in 50 pip range for safe trade? 15 to 20 pips. 15 to 20 pips on a 50 pip range. Can I trade with impulse entry on clean range? Sure. Have you started streaming every day again? No. What was costing you to do that? Small changes make bigger impact. Yes, small changes make bigger impact. Wouldn't you be better off doing affiliate programs with other firms instead of promoting your own? I don't care. It's like a good experiment that we're running, right? Every company you start is an experiment. You look like a schoolboy in a dress. Thank you. The price of Fluidity University, okay, already answered that. I'm in buys at 2,900. Oh, nice. You're in buys at 2,900? Oh, right over here. Wow. Why'd you take a buy? Why'd you take a buy? So the candle is about to close in about 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, we will have the candle closing. And we shall see that can we continue to push down or not. A rich schoolboy. Yes, that's correct. That's correct. Are you buying or selling? I don't know. I'm waiting. If you would have traded pre-London, would you have taken any trade? Pre-London. Take a look over here. Yeah, probably. Probably. Like if we were breaking above this high, what confirmation we had above the blue line? Oh yeah, break above the high over here. So impulse entry and trend. Yeah, I could have taken that trade. Impulse entry and trend. With this candle closing weak bullish, next one breaking the high, clean range to the left hand side. Can we meet in Dubai? No. What do you think about mindset of trader and a small tip for getting the mindset? Focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. What is the difference between the 2-step and 3-step? Can you explain the evaluation process? Yes, it's all explained on the website. The evaluation process. full information is on the website. Trust me. Dominion funding. I always start trading in Asian time, but 80% I lose in that session. But my trading plan is to trade London and New York session. How can I avoid trading the Asian session? So look at this guy over here with this such a retard. Okay, great. But my trading plan is to trade London and New York. How can I avoid trading Asian session? Bro, just don't trade the Asian session. Why do you have to make it more complicated than it already is? Your trading plan is to trade the London and New York. I don't know why you're trading the Asian session when you know you're going to lose. So I think the best thing is going to be just leave the Asian session and focus on just one New York or London session. That's it. You don't have to focus on both sessions. Or just don't open up the charts. That's it. And someone is asking, what are you smoking? Send some of them to them. Can you explain a little bit about A book, broker, and B book at the end? It's not going to help you in any way. Trust me, knowing about A book, B book, it's not going to help you any way possible. It's not going to help you in any way. Trust me on that. Just look for someone where you can get your money in on time, you can get your money out on time, and your trades are executed on time. Is there any chance Dominion Markets bring back MT5? I don't know. Wow, look at this rejection over there. See that? That's why it's important to wait. Damn, look at that rejection. You rejected that area. Rejected it. Don't get angry, then you will be Uncle Raja. This month I'm up 2.7%, but now I'm scared of taking new trades. I'm scared because I might lose the profit which I made. Can you please guide me? Yeah, just go small risk, or go over all the trades you've won. Go over all the trades you've won, and then learn to see how can you kind of like, how can you repeat the same trades? How can you repeat the same process? Or how can you see the same situation happen again? Why funding pips charge extra $10 for C Trader? I don't know. Maybe C Trader comes at cost. Tell yourself that you lose money in Asia. I'm new to MFU, but I didn't find the Zoom link in the live stream. How do I join the Zoom? Okay. So you go to Discord, and from here you go to live stream links. And once you go to live stream links, the link is going to be there for you. The link is going to be there. Okay. Is Dominion Market available in Kenya? Yes. So yeah, we got about 5 seconds left for the candle to close. The 30-minute candle is closing. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. Look at that 15-minute candle closing bearish. New 30-minute candle has started now. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. 54 pip range left. When is the offer for Market Fluidity University on till? So it's on till the end of February. Before, Market Fluidity University was $138 a month, but now we've decided to reduce it for everybody. It's at $97 a month now, till the end of February. Yeah, that was a very bold decision someone took behind the scenes. Is there anything in new Market Fluidity University that I need? I'm a Market Fluidity and SSC student. I'm profitable now. Hey, if you're profitable, that's amazing. That's good. So look at this. This 30-minute candle, if it will move down, I'm waiting for it to wick up, break below the low, and then continue to push down. If I want to be a little bit risky, what we can do is to have a stop loss above the 15-minute candle, right? 30 lots. Okay, let's do that. 20 pip stop. Because I don't want to have my stop loss above the 30-minute candle, because that's a pretty big stop over there, 40, 41 pips, pretty big stop. So I think on the 15-minute, it's going to be better. This 15-minute right here, and since I'm being a little bit aggressive, we will manage the risk in a certain way. Can you please say hi to me in Urdu? My name is Sufyan. Haji Sufyan, kya hal hai aapka? Theek hain aap? Good. I lost 1,500 today due to trailing stop. How can you lose 1,500 with the trailing stop loss? And add more money, and I blow many account by this habit. How to get rid of? Just always know how much you're going to risk. Always know how much you're going to risk. That's it. And just aim to risk just that. You are a market maker who makes money. People who makes money from people lose money. Yeah, and I also tell them to manage risk as well, so make less money. Is that what you're trying to get at? You're running a mentorship program where we can learn from you. Startup trading slowly. The link is in description. The market will reject its bullish trend. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Starting off the week. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is open. 30 minutes right over here. 15 minutes right over here. 4-hour candle is, previous 4-hour candle was bullish. Previous 4-hour candle was bullish. Close half. Why are you in a sell now? So the reason why I'm in a sell, I think it's a little bit, yeah, it's a premature sell. It's a very premature, it's a premature sell. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So the whole idea is that, okay, so that was a premature sell. This candle, once it breaks its own low, then we can continue to push down. Salam and hi all. Hey, walaikum salam, Adam. Yeah, see that? Wow, that has retraced a lot. That has retraced a lot. So yeah, so that was a premature sell. My bad. I'm sorry. Are you interested in BNB AI agents, BNB memes? No. Can you help me with this previous trade? Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. Was the Friday impulse above this 30-minute candle or 15-minute on the right-hand side? Over here? No, this is tough. This is very difficult. Right over here, right? That was very, very difficult. Why did you close that trade in a loss? Well, because when you are uncomfortable, you close it, right? Has the trade closed? Yes. It's closed. It's closed. These concepts don't work. Yeah, okay, yes, yes. See, the thing is, every concept works. Whether you're trying to learn Fibonacci's, whether you're trying to learn, stochastics, MDMA, you're looking at MACD, you're looking at FVG, whatever. Every strategy works. It's just like, how much are you willing to give time to that strategy? That's it. That's all what it means. You don't exactly find the rug pull button, no set movement, my guy. I'm one of the top gents whales. You're one of the top gents whales? I don't think so. Let's see over here. Let's see who's the biggest whale in gents. I haven't even looked at gents. Yeah, there's no whale in gents. Even if you are a whale, you're maybe putting like $500. You're not a whale, trust me. Please explain about the wick exhaustion. Wick exhaustion means rejection. Some Twitter people are exposing you for being a scammer. Oh, wow. Why did you not wait for the current candle to cross the low of the previous candle? Yeah, I took a premature entry, which is why I closed. So I'm sorry about that. Sometimes when I set a logical stop loss, like above and below the candle, then it goes around 25, 24 pips. So I have to stick on maximum 25 stop loss. No, even if your stop loss is big, even if your stop loss is big, then I think at that time you just need to lower your lot size. That's the biggest thing at that point. You have to lower your lot size, even if the stop loss is like 25 pips, if it's 30 pips. The most important thing is to lower your lot size. How to stop over trading? Just take 1 or 2 trades a day. You want to see my last week results? Current week? Okay, whatever. See over here. Current month. Yeah, last week was a disaster. Look at this. Wow, look at this last week. Loss. This was Friday. Wow, I've had more losses than wins. I've had more losses than wins in February. Let's take a look at the stats. Oh, wow, look at that. 65% losing trades in February. Only 34% winning trades in February. Wow. Oh, Mr. Bipsa TV is saying scammer. Well, Mr. Bipsa TV, what do? You sell IPTVs. That's a bigger scam than what, like, you think I'm doing. Selling IPTVs under the table. Come on. My friend is your biggest fan. He recommended me to your channel. He made $1,600 in 3 weeks. And when I asked him who's your daddy, he said Raja is my daddy. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. I have someone trying to sell me their course and saying you fake your own trades. I'm happy learning exam, and I think this platform to be in the market is great. Thank you, Rick. Thank you. I appreciate it. People say the things they want to say. Just because I own Dominion Markets, and just because we've built a lot of platforms, they think that all the trades, all the results, all the withdrawals, they're all fake and staged. But what people don't do is they don't go through my Instagram history. Literally, you go through my Instagram history and you see me using IC Markets. You see me using Vantage FX, and you see me making money over there. So people don't see that. People only believe what they want to believe. That's what people are going to believe. What they want to believe. When someone comes to you with gossip about someone else who you don't know, and they're telling you, have you ever stopped to think that, okay, I don't know whether the person is that bad because I haven't met him, but now I want to believe something about a person just because someone else is telling me? Like, what sort of weight do they have? So that's how I look at things now. If someone comes to me saying that someone so and so is bad, and I know the person, I'll say, okay, listen, for you the person is bad, but I have a separate relationship with that person, so for me that person's good. I'm following Raja since Canada. He used IC Markets. Yeah. And the thing is, if I was making, let's say in 2020, when I was using Vantage FX, and this is all history, you can go through my Instagram. If I was using Vantage FX, I was making like $40,000-$50,000 a month. And as time passes, your income increases. Once it crosses over like 100,000, 150, 200,000, it's just increases over time. Income does increase. People do grow up. As you grow older, you're supposed to make more money. I'm going to be 40 years old in 3 years. So if some 22, 23-year-old retard thinks that, wow, look, Raja is doing this much and he's almost 40. Of course, man, he's an older guy. I'm an older guy. I'm almost 40. I'm 37 years old. I'm supposed to be where I am in life. I'm supposed to be here. I'm supposed to have an office, have employees. I'm supposed to wear a suit. Yeah, Rick's 42. Yeah, there we go. Rick's 40. Does Rick give a fuck about what some 22-year-old thinks about Rick? Hell no. I got so much other shit to worry about in life. All right, let's take a look at the chart over here. Please take a look at this trade. This is we reject by good candle, same volume, previous candle. Yeah, it's tough, man. What is this? Gold? It's tough. It's tough. You got a bank holiday and price action. It may not make sense. May not make sense. I took sell on 2902. Previous candle, small bearish reverse is invalid. Send a chart. Send a chart. I thought you were below 35. Thank you. Appreciate it. I thought you were closer to 50. Yeah, some people say I look 56. All right, gold 15-minute news candle. Where is this from? Yesterday, right? No, Friday. Price came up, resistance formed. You took a sell. Very nicely done. Very nicely done, my friend. My friend. Beautiful. Okay, let's take a look here. Yeah, I guess we're just consolidating here now. What are you going to do? India, Pakistan don't have feel for what? Design? How come you have so many loss? Yeah, man. February has been pretty crazy in terms of wins and losses. It's nuts. Can I trade only with impulse entry in all my trades? Yes, you can. How come you? Okay. If price is breaking support, candle goes up again. Yeah, we're consolidating, man. There's no volume. New York Open is going to come up soon, and there's no volume. Wow, look at that. Pound yen is rocking and rolling over here because yen is open at this time. Look at this 1 hour time frame. Look at this 30-minute time frame here. Please update the support. What do you want me to update? There's nothing happening. It's bank holiday. There's nothing. They might as well we just close the stream now. But I'm going to close it at NY Open. Not now. Please pay attention to 3-bar reversal for buys. Okay, 3-bar reversal for buys. Awesome. I think I will sell here. Okay, good. Do you know Al Brooks? No, I don't know Al Brooks. Wow, your USD is moving here as well. What time frame? It's a 30-minute time frame. Support breaking below this area. We're coming into another support down over here, which is not that far away, to be fair. I mean, this whole range is like, 8 pip range. This is a massive 8 pip, 9.2 pip range. Pull on reversal now. Are you coming to Pakistan on Eid? Maybe. What time New York open in Dubai time? Same time as always, 5 p.m. Dubai time. We have 8 a.m. Eastern. When people jealous, they can't bear other success. That is very true. Starts from your relatives. GJ move 53 pips, and if break support, can we take sell or should we wait for some resistance? Okay, let's take a look at pound yen. So looking at pound yen, we have moved 38 pips. If you're counting from up there, yeah, almost 53 pips. Let's take a look to the left-hand side. Let's extend it to the left. And wow, the only thing concerning me on pound yen is this wick over here and this rejection. Let's take a sneak peek at the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so these are still wicks. So I think we can come down till, what is this, 190, 400, probably. I think that could be a good first target coming down to that wick. It's extended all the way to the right-hand side, right over here. Yeah, but look at that. We're also rejecting here anyway. What is MagicKeys? You can literally YouTube what is MagicKeys. I live in Iran. Possible grow with low balance account? No. It's very, very low probability, my brother from Iran. Very, very, very low probability. Grace and Jenga. Eric Imal. Okay. Is demand funding available in Kosovo? Yes. Please analysis Euro USD 1 hour time frame. Euro USD 1 hour time frame. So Euro USD 1 hour time frame is currently pushing down. I guess it's also like, US bank holiday coming, especially on Monday. So I don't know. I withdrew my money from Dominion 8 days ago and still I don't have my money. Ooh. And I only answer the support give me is that money is coming. What is happening? Can I ask? Hristo Totov, open up a ticket on Discord and then follow up with that. And I'm going to just send them a message here now. But yeah, we will get to the bottom of this, why this is happening. Usually it takes about 24, maximum 48 hours. But sometimes, like we could be handicapped with technology. So that can happen as well. And I think that must have happened over here. Where is this? What was your name, kind sir? Hristo Totov. You are the best. I have started gaining confidence. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Besmir is destroying some buildings. Ooh, where? Kosovo? In Kosovo. Can you give us one more your free course as you did in the past? You already have one. What platform are you trading from, OG? This is C-Trader platform. If you look at the gold one now, you shouldn't have lost. Yeah, it's no big deal, Like I lost what? How much have I lost? 2,500. I lost 2,500. It's no big deal at all. 2,500. Can you revise the market structure for scalping? There's no revision to be done for scalping. It's a holiday. I'm only here for the next 15 minutes and then we're off. You know, it's a bank holiday. I don't know if something's going to happen. Maybe it's going to happen around London close. You know, London close, when London is closing, a lot of volume comes in around London close as well. You're the best mentor I've ever met in my life. Thank you, man. Learning so much from you now, making money as well. Thank you, Roshan. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. What's this? Ooh, wow, look at this. Buys when we break above the high 30-minute time frame on gold, fresh support. This was also impulse entries in trend on 15-minute time frame. Beautiful. Very well done. Give me a shout out. About to deposit 10 USD in Dominion account. Yay! $10 coming in by Rishi Raj. Man, go buy some chocolate with that $10. Seriously, what the hell is $10 gonna do to you? Nothing. Nothing. Not being mean, but just saying $10 is yeah, nothing. How much this month can you show? How much this month can you show history? I don't know, this month. Current month. I've had 2 to 3 good trades. This one, and this one. That's it. Otherwise, just losses. Just losses so far. Very, very tough. Very, very tough. Very tough this month so far. Short tutorial will be awesome. Yeah, so this Seed Trader platform tutorial is on YouTube. You can literally YouTube that. And yeah, so just go open an account, get the platform, and that's about it. There's a very interesting video we posted online. There's a very interesting video we posted online. Dominion Markets Instagram. Let's take a look at this over here. Let me show you guys. Dominion Markets Instagram. Oh. Oh, I have to log in. I don't know my login and password. But if you go to Dominion Markets Instagram, there's a video we posted about latency. And you will learn something about latency. We do a live demo on latency. Whoever gets this won't regret it. I used to have others, but I got this. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Ever swing trade, and what do you think about it? I think swing trading is good. I did swing trade in the beginning. I used to, but you know, I was swing trading like an idiot. So what I would do is I would just take a buy, and let's say based off of the daily time frame or 4-hour time frame, I'd just take a buy and I would let the whole thing run. You know, I would have a stop loss, and price would go in profits for about 20 pips, 25 pips. Then it's going to go in drawdown. It's going to come close to my stop loss, and then I would increase my stop loss. You know, like I would bring it more down. I'd increase my stop loss and lose more than what I had to. You know, so then this one day I started to look at all my trades. You know, all these stupid swing trades I was trying to take. I looked at all these trades, and what I realized was something very interesting. What I realized was all the trades that I took. Let's say I took 10 trades, you know, 6 to 8 out of those trades would always go in 15 to 20 pip profits. 6 to 8 of those trades would always go in 15 to 20 pip profits. And I realized, hey, wait a minute. If I have majority of the trades going in 15 to 20 pips in profits, maybe I can secure 15 to 20 pips all the time and just let a runner run. You know, let's just put stop loss at break even after securing 90% and leave the rest running. That's what I realized. So then I stopped swing trading. Yeah, so that was it. I stopped swing trading. What does Dominion funding means? Dominion funding is a prop firm that we launched under Dominion Markets. So if you think you are a profitable trader, you should take a challenge on Dominion Challenge, have access to bigger money, and then see where it goes. You know, like we processed one of our biggest payouts last week for over $5,000, and this person bought the I think it was the $50,000 challenge he bought for $400. And then after 2 weeks, he was in profits and he requested a $5,000 payout. You know, so from investing $400, he got a $5,000 payout. And it was actually pretty sick when that came up. Do you know Toy trades? Yeah. You know, I think she's a good trader. What did you do wrong that you have so much loss? Man, the market just didn't go in my favor. The trades apart from today, the previous trades I took, they were like, look, it didn't go in my direction. The market didn't go in my direction. Not over here as well. Took buys, so I attempted buys twice last week. Didn't really go in my favor. And something that's going to happen. What can you do at that point? How about the 3 giveaways? I think we already gave them away. Yeah, we'll see. Is 3,000 a good startup? Yes, $3,000 is a good startup. It's an excellent startup. How much is your current leverage margin? 100 to 1. Yeah, 1 to 100 is a leverage I use. What's your honest review on MT5 in particular C trader you're using? I'm pro crypto trader and now I'm transitioning into Forex. Brother, with C trader, I think C trader has a lot more to offer. C trader has a lot more to offer. You got your calendar over here, like it tells you your news, your market hours are over here, your leverage information is over here, your trade stats here, your full calendar is here. You can see like tomorrow, yesterday, whatever. You can see full detail of your trades. Look at this. This is something you can't see anywhere. You can see your order details, all information, your like everything, the delay you had, the latency you had, all that information is available to you. Plus you get your journal here, at the same time. I mean, it's no joke, man. C Trader is no joke. It's no joke. Trust me. I found it very, very useful. I found it very, very useful. Why are you not taking a sell? Because 1, there's no volume. Number 2, there's no candle closing in my direction. Can you please fund me $100? No. Why I joined Dominion Funding? Please tell some advantage than other firm. I'm not. Why you should join Dominion Funding? Because it's backed by Dominion Markets. At the same time, the same trading conditions you get on Dominion Markets ECN account is the same trading conditions you get on Dominion Funding. There's no latency, no delay. There's no markup on spreads. Nothing. There's no markups or anything. So yeah. So the price you pay over here for having great trading conditions is the same price you pay at other firms in fees. Like their challenges may be cheaper, but the fees you're paying with the trading conditions they have, you're still paying the same amount, essentially. What's this over here? Any thoughts on NAS 100? Yeah, some word for Alex FXG. Man, so much cap over there. Okay, yeah, here we are over here now. Look at this. Just ranging, man. Consolidating. We got like 6 minutes left here for the candle to close. Just nothing. Pound yen is also rejecting that area. Yes, you can deposit and withdraw money from Pakistan. How to use simulator in C Trader? Oh yeah, C Trader also has a simulator. Dominion funding kitne ki hai? 100,000. Why is there a gap in current and previous 15-minute candle? Where is the gap? I don't see no gap. The price you pay is for talking to the CEO person. Him issues can. Yeah, that's true. That's the price as well. That's the price you pay in knowing the CEO. Let's put it that way. What's the max lot size I can open on gold on a 100K account? Max lot size on a 100K account? I don't know. How much you need over here? 144, 25, 30. Ooh, getting close. 40. Ooh, 35 lots. Yeah, 35 lots, 7.5. Yeah, I think you can open 7 lots. 7 lots, 7.5 lots. Why don't you fund new traders with 500 USD? Why don't I fund new traders with $500 in Dominion? Why should I fund new traders with $500 when I know they're going to lose money? Why? Why should I do that? You guys come in here and ask some really stupid, retard questions, man. It's just unreal. And the questions aren't like, if a question can be, hey, man, what's the spread? I'll tell what the spread is. The question is like, oh, why can't you fund new traders with $500? Like, why the fuck would I even do that? The questions are about begging for money, begging for free course, just begging. Go get a job, man. Go get a job, make some money, and then come into trading right over here. You know, the trading isn't for someone who's got like, you know, $50, $20. Oh, I'm going to be rich. No, it's not going to happen. Maybe it's going to happen if you're in a 0.001%, but for 99.99%, it's never going to happen like that. From $100, you're not going to become a multi-million billionaire. You know, it's not going to happen like that. In short words, can you explain NFP, CPI, FOMC? When do we wait for the trade? So wait for 30 minutes after the news. There's too many brain rots in your chat. Please give them $5 donation. Never. Have you made any profits trading NAS 100? No. Raja usually leaves live stream with high blood pressure. Man, trust me, it's reaching to that point now. Blood pressure is rising. In 3 minutes, it will be sky high. What lot size do you recommend on 100K account with your prop firm? 5 lots? 5 lots? Raja is anti-motivation. I'm not anti-motivation. I say it how it is. I'm not going to sugarcoat stuff and tell you, oh, yeah, man, keep going. You're going to make it. I'm going to tell you how it is. It's going to be proper near to impossible. Yeah, you don't need $5. You need 5 slaps across the face as soon as you wake up in the morning every morning. That's what people need. That's what most people need. That most people need slaps in the morning as soon as they wake up in the morning. That's what they need first thing in the morning, so that they come back to reality. I never became a millionaire from $100. Oh shit. Okay, we're back to reality now. Gotta work. Gotta deposit at least 5,000 or 2,000 to make things reasonable for me. That's what you need. What if we use compound? It's never gonna work. I've heard everything in the book. The biggest mistake traders are going to make is that I'm going to keep on compounding. I'm going to keep on compounding my account to tens and hundreds of thousands, and then I'm going to withdraw and have a good life. You know what happens? And this has also happened to a lot of you guys right here listening. And what has happened to you guys is that you have been lost in this compounding scenario that you have not withdrawn. Well, you haven't withdrawn anything from compounding. Nothing. You've just gave it all back to the market. I have bought Market Fluidity University for $97, and it will be the same if I wouldn't be able to continue next month. If I buy April, or will it be 138? You will have to let us know before it ends, because it will be 97 till you cancel. Yeah, it will be 97. The way this 30-minute may close, some kind of volume NY can look at. Yes, I agree with that. Oliver, I agree with that. The way this 30-minute candle is closing, if NY had volume, it will break this low and continue pushing down. As long as you are using 0.01 lot, 0.01 lot, don't care where price goes. I got thousands because I use 0.01 lot. Pakistani Andrew Tate, no. What do you do before trading? I was literally having some lunch. Don't you worry that CoffeeZilla is investigating you. Wow, so scared. Some guy is investigating me. You know what's the most useless fear someone can have in life? The most useless fear you can have in life is the fear of another man. That's the most useless fear you can have in life. It's the fear of another human being, a fear of another man. You know, and like some people have it, some people don't. You are skibbity toilet with low riz and your mewing streak is only 5 days and I will slap you. Yeah, man, I know. So sus. Trading has been so sus. I got your back. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Where are you reading these chats from? From here. You don't want to go over here. Trust me. I am filtering the chats. I'm making sure that I read the most logical things. And the nonsense you hear is the most logical thing I'm trying to read from the chat. Is the gulag. But man, yeah, I mean, there's no volume. Pound yen is retracing. Your USD is now whatever. I mean, yeah, it's nothing. It's garbage bullshit over here. So I'm gonna head off. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. I'm not trading anytime. when I have to stop, I see it later on the day, very good trade. Sometimes I want to trade it. No, just come back the next day. See this right over here? See this right over here? This is going to be something for education for me, that if this candle breaks the low of the previous candle, 30-minute time frame, I think we can continue to push now. It doesn't mean that I'm going to execute on it. It's something that I'm going to anticipate, you know, because you can anticipate without trading as well, because what anticipation does is anticipation just increases your confidence if you want to execute it the next time it happens, you know. So that's what I'm looking at here, that if it breaks the low, it can continue to push down. I'm going to make a note in my diary, and then that's about it. I got more money than CoffeeZilla. Anyway, guys, take care. Wednesday, we will see you back at the same time. And man, trust me, I'm not that big enough to be investigated anyway. Like, come on. I'm not that big enough to be investigated anyway. I have 3 registered companies in Dubai, 2 registered companies in Canada. You know, we have 3 offshore entities. I have a LLC registered in the US. I got businesses registered in Pakistan. Like, come on. You know, anyway. Okay, amigos, take care. See you Wednesday. Bye-bye.